Happy New Year to everybody. Wishing you and your loved ones a year full of happiness, health, and success. In today's video, we'll be talking about Money Making Hub. Money Making Hub is a bot that we'll be talking about today. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes. Make sure that I'm not your financial advisor. Therefore, before you go into this platform, make sure that you actually do your research before you actually go in and then invest with your money. Without said, let's continue. I'm going to leave the link to the bot in the video description. So you have to go and click on the link and you'll be presented with the interface as you are seeing on my screen. So once you see this, go ahead and tap on start from below. Once you do that, you'll be presented with your main menu. So that's the main menu. So let's take a tour on the main menu as you can see from here. The first on the list is the packs. So we click on packs. You'll be presented with all the packages that they have available. So as it stands now, they have 5 packages as it stands now. The first package gives you invest 200 Cedis and then you'll be getting 5% of the amount every day. You invest 500 Cedis, you'll be earning 5%. You invest 1,000, you save 500, you get 5% all the way to 5,000, which also gives you 5% every day. Note that all the packages is valid for 40 days. So after 40 days, the package expire. So let's go ahead and click on Information Hub. For Information Hub, when you click on Information Hub presents you the packages or the information about the platform, some extra information you need to know about. So over here it says that when you invite a friend to recharge you're going to earn 10% of the recharge amount. So any amount that your friend recharges, you'll be getting 10% of the recharge amount. Now you need to contact customer service if you meet the following. So extra tax about on the platform is that when you invite 5 people to recharge, you're going to get 30 Cedis. So you have to contact the customer service after you have recharged 5. You have invited 5 people to recharge, then you'll be credited 30 Cedis to your account. If you're able to invite 50 people, you're going to be getting 100 Cedis. And if you're able to invite 100 people to recharge, you'll be getting 300 Cedis. You need to contact customer service when you meet these conditions. The next on the list, you have the minimum recharge amount. The minimum recharge amount is 200 Cedis. The minimum withdrawal amount is 25 Cedis. And then the system charges 15% on any withdrawal you made. The withdrawal can be made once in a day. Then they also have what we call tax-free. On that day, any withdrawal that you actually make, there's not going to be any 15% charge. And that is every Tuesday or the first Tuesday of every month, there's a withdrawal free. And then you can perform your tasks or you can perform your daily tasks between the hours of 9 a.m. and then 9 p.m. daily. Performing tasks outside these hours simply means that your account will not be credited. So submitting more than 1 task in a day too may result in your account being banned. So make sure that you don't submit more than 1 task in a day. Now, when withdrawal is made, you need to wait for. So the moment you make a withdrawal, assuming you made a withdrawal today, once you withdraw, you need to wait for a number of 3 days in order to withdraw once again. So if you withdraw today, you wait 3 consecutive days in order to be valid to be able to withdraw another again. Withdrawal will arrive within 0 to 48 hours. So when you make a withdrawal, you expect to receive the withdrawal within the hours of 0 to 48 hours. When it exceeds, you need to contact the customer service. Always, you need to confirm the withdrawal details. So the details you're going to provide for your withdrawal, make sure that the details are right in order to prevent loss of funds. Now, your withdrawal details should be consistent on any withdrawal made. This means that the details you submit, you don't have to be changing it often. If you need to make changes in any of them, you have to contact the customer service for any change. Next thing here, if you recharge and you want to check whether your balance has been credited or not, when you perform your daily tasks and you want to know whether your income was credited or not, you click on account balance. That is where all your incomes will be credited. So currently I have a balance of 25 Cedis, all because I've already invested an amount of 500 Cedis, and every day I'll be getting 25 Cedis, which is 5% of it, and that's why I'm getting 25 Cedis, because I invested 500 Cedis. At the same time, there's an option for recharge. So if you want to recharge, you go ahead and click on recharge. But before you recharge, make sure that you have gone through the packages or the packs, then decide the amount you want to recharge. So if you want to recharge like 200 Cedis, you have to go ahead and click on recharge. Then once you click on recharge, you'll be presented with this captcha interface. You have to provide the captcha So provide a captcha as you see it. After you're done, you can go ahead and click on invest from below, and then this is the payment gateways that is available. So you can pay, or you can make payment via TRS, make payment via USDT or MoMo. So if you want to make the payment via TRS, that means you have to convert the package that you want to invest. If it is 200, you have to convert it into TRS, then you actually deposit that amount onto the platform. Once you deposit the money that you're going to invest, whether via TRS or USDT, will be converted into MoMo, or it will be converted into Cedis for you. Remember, you can reach out via TRS and USDT, but you cannot withdraw via USDT or TRS. If I click on TRS, a wallet address will be given. Just copy, go head on to your wallet via Binance, OKS, wherever, and then you go ahead and make the payment. After you make the payment, you go ahead and provide in here your transaction ID, submit for verification. You do the same thing for the USDT, and that one to be presented. Then you go ahead and you make your payment. Then MoMo 2 is right here. Click on MoMo. Then you copy the number right here. Then you go ahead and make payment to that particular number. Make sure that you pay the exact amount. If it is 500 cedis, you pay 500 cedis. If it is 200 cedis, you pay the exact amount. Don't pay amount less than the minimum or result that your account will not be credited to your account. So make sure that you follow that. After you're done you provide your transaction ID. After the SMS that will be sent to you, provide in here the transaction ID, and then after you're done, you submit for verification. So once everything is done, you are going to receive a notification within the interface or within the application. If you don't receive any notification, you can manually check your account balance. As we stated earlier, just click on main menu, and then you have account balance. You can go ahead and click on it. After the recharge is done, once it's created, you'll be seeing right there. If it takes more than 10 to 20 minutes, contact the customer service for assistance by clicking on support. As you can see below, you have support. You tap on support, you'll be able to contact the customer service for assistance if you need any. To perform your daily tasks every blessed day, you have to be clicking on view daily tasks right from below here. So every 24 hours, that is when you actually come and then click on that. After you click on it, you provide your captcha. So right after providing the captcha, you just tap on receive daily income, and that is it. Then your income will be credited to your account. You do that every 24 hours or every blessed day between the hours of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now, if you want to refer friends, click on refer friends from below. And over there, you're going to see your referral link right there. So you can go ahead and click on the referral link, and then copy that, and then you share with friends. So you can decide to share with your friends, and the moment your friends also reach us, then you'll be able to get some extra income from them as well. If you want to withdraw to, just go ahead and click on withdraw. You provide your verification once more. Then you go ahead and then you cash out, follow the proceedings, and then you wait for your account to be credited. So that's basically how it works. So now, as I stated at the beginning of the video, I said I'm going to make a live withdrawal so that you get to know that the platform is paying or not. So with that said, let's get started. So I'm just going to click on withdrawal. And once I click on withdrawal, I'm going to confirm the captcha. Then I'll confirm this. So once it's confirmed, I'll click on cash out. Then I'm going to provide my name right here. So right when I'm done, I'm going to submit. Then I'll provide my phone number. Then submit as well. So then I'm going to put the amount, that is 25 cedis. So that's the amount I have in my balance, 25 cedis. So I'll put in there 25 cedis. The next time is going to be that next time is going to be that 25 15% of it, which means I'll be expecting an amount of 21 cedis. So let's submit, and now it says withdrawal requests are expected to be processed within 0 to 48 hours. Should you encounter any delays beyond this time frame, we kindly ask you to reach out to the customer service team for assistance. So I'm just going to wait and see whether the withdrawal will be confirmed or not. So if it is confirmed, I'll receive a notification. So let's see what happens. Alright, so you can see the system says that state of the balance was changed by -25, which means that the system has actually issued the withdrawal. So let's go back and see, click on main menu, and if I click on account balance, now you can see 125 Cedis is gone. So I'm expecting to receive the income right away. So I'm waiting. So let's wait to see if the income will be credited to our account or not. Note that if your withdrawal does not get credited instantly, note that it is within 0 to 48 hours. So I'm waiting for the withdrawal. Alright, so as you can see from here, we have actually received a withdrawal, and we actually receive an amount of what? 21 Ghana cedis, a live withdrawal proof for you to see that Money Making Hub is actually paying. So basically, that is all that you need to know about the platform. If you have any comments, you can just leave the comment in the description. I will attend to you as soon as possible. So basically, that's all that I need you to know about this bot called Money Making Hub. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.